Alright, so we've had this round patio table for a while now, but it's time for an upgrade. So today I'm taking a look at this one and doing a quick assembly and giving my first impressions of this. So here's all the pieces it comes with. We're going to have the table halves, the legs, the support, and a baggie with the hardware and the instructions. The first thing to do is to flip the table halves over, and we're going to go ahead and attach them just like so. Now it's time to screw everything in, and we're going to start at the bottom over here. And we're going to be using this piece labeled D right over here, and we're going to screw it in with the small screws and the washer right here, and then same thing for the other side. Now it's time to attach the G screw, the nut, and the washer right over here, and then the same thing for the other side here. Now it's time to attach the leg right over here, and we're going to be using the F screws and the washer. And we're going to do this for all the 4 legs around here. Now it's time to screw in this support right in the center over here. And we're going to be using these H screws and washers. And once flipped over, here's what the table looks like. This thing looks really nice, and it's definitely an upgrade for this one. This one's pretty rusted out, and it's also wobbly from being really old. And so overall, I'm a fan of like the wood-like design on it. Now this, of course, is going to be fully metal. And up here, we do have this part for the umbrella, and this just comes off. And when not in use, it can fit just like so. And here's what the bottom looks like. And there also are some plastic feet, so if you want, you can kind of twist them a little bit just to go ahead and get it more leveled if your patio isn't as level. So yeah, that's a quick assembly and first look at the table.